For the classic running track system, I want to show you the assembling of the different components by using of this prototype cabinet. As you see here, you have the milling for the straight track and also for the spiral track. And here, as you see, the tools and also the components, the palmet, the track system, and the roller shutter. To start, I take the track systems, the straight track and also the spiral track, and add it together. So as you see here, put it in the milled area, and I push the straight track a little bit against the connecting point to the spiral track, that there is no gap, and then I bring it into the cabinet. We just prepared also the top track system before, in case, or it depends of the time. Now I fix the components of the track, here the spiral track, with the necessary screws. Now I take the palmet, where you see is prepared with some holes to fix it on the sidewall of the cabinet. So I bring it in here. Also we take the same. We take the screws and then we fix it here on the prototype, on the top and on the bottom. Now the next part is to open the connection between the side and the top panel. So you see the fittings. I opened it. I put up the top panel and use a little kind of spacer. This is a wooden spacer, just as an example. I take the roller shutter. Here, as you see, on the right side of the cabinet, it's the palmet. So therefore, we have to use the roller shutter with the end slide on the left side. And I bring it into the track system, just in case, by little kind of handling, looking for the detailed track. As you see here now, it runs in, it's quite good. It runs directly into the spiral track. Then I take out the spacer, connect the cabinets together and fix the fittings. Now the cabinet is fixed quite well. And so here we have the finalized assembly.